Hello everyone, I'm Sandy Williams and I'm with Circulation and Membership Management at the Charleston Library Society. For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to place holds on items that are available for circulation. And this could be adult and or children, DVDs, audios, and books. Before we get started, you will need a few bits of information to help you place a hold online. We need the membership name and the membership number. If you do not have your membership number, please contact Circulation. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to the Charleston Library Society's website, charlestonlibrarysociety.org. As you can see, we are already on the home page here. Now you will need access to the online catalog called Encore. You can do this by typing in the quick search box in the upper right hand side of the home page. You can follow my cursor here. You may also click on Circulation near the middle and then click on the catalog. Once you're on the Encore catalog homepage, you can begin searching and or you can access your personal patron account. No matter which way you want to start looking for your item, you must remember that you will need to be logged into your patron account in order to place the hold. To go ahead and log into your account, click in the upper right-hand screen on the blue box titled Login. And I'm just going to circle that here again. Okay, and that's going to take you to this main Encore page. I am going to log in as test patron with membership number 0000. So basically, the first name would be test and the last name would be patron in this example. So if I type in my last name, patron, and membership 0000 into the membership number, I will be brought to the patron homepage where I can see my account. Oops. And you will see now that at the upper right hand screen, you do have my account listed here. And you can actually just go ahead and click on that, and we can see that currently this test patron has one hold already placed on The Handmaid's Tale by Margaret Atwood. But what we want to do today is place a new hold. So we will go to the basic search box here at the top of the screen. Okay, so let's say in this example that I also want to place a hold on The Handmaid's Tale, the series. So I am going to type in Handmaid's Tale, and we will be brought to a page that will identify 6 results. Okay, and if you scroll down, we can actually see that there's a few options for the series. We have The Handmaid's Tale Season 3, which is listed first, The Handmaid's Tale Season 1, which actually states that it's not available, and that is due on March 2nd. So if you wanted to place a hold on this one, you can still do that, and then of course we will let you know when it becomes available. But in this example, I am interested in Season 2 of the TV series. And if you just look over on the right, you'll see Requested in this little box next to the item. So I'm going to click that, and it gives you an option also for adding a deadline to the material. So let's say, for example, you needed this item within the next 7 days, otherwise you don't need it. You could go in and filter that down here. But in this example, I just wanted to go ahead and get it whenever I can. So I'm going to hit Requested, and then I get a pop-up notice letting me know it has successfully been placed and that CLS will contact the patron when it's available. And hit OK there. Okay, so we've just looked at placing a hold from within the patron's account. Now we're going to place a hold by searching for the item first and then logging into the account. So I'm just going to return to the home page of CLS. And in this example, I'm just going to do the basic search here in the top right, search the catalog, and I'm going to do Handmaid's Tale. It takes me immediately to the results page, again showing us that we have 6 options here. And in this example, I'm interested in the newest book by Margaret Atwood, The Testaments. So if you see over on the right-hand screen again, you can just click Request It here. Or if you wanted to click on the item description, you can click on that. It'll give you all kinds of details and information, but you can also request it from this function here. So again, if you are already not logged into your patron account, you will be prompted to do so again. And at this point, you would need your name as it appears on your membership, as well as your membership number. In this example, again, we are going to go with the last name patron and 0000 for our membership number, and then we will click submit. And as you can see, we get a pop-up that lets us go ahead and request it or to add the deadline if needed. And I'll go ahead and submit here, and it lets me know that CLS will notify again when the item is available for pickup. And at that point, basically we will be notified at the Charleston Library Society, and you will have 7 days to pick up the item from once you are notified, whether that be via phone or email. And that's it. So you've successfully placed another hold. And I would suggest spending some time in the catalog. Explore the search functionality and see what CLS has to offer. Once you've placed your hold, circulation will receive the notice, will process the request, and of course, we will see you in the library. And that's it. I hope to see all of your holds in my inbox soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.